It was a quiet December evening. Outside the window, tiny snowflakes were falling gently from the sky. The streets were decorated with beautiful X-mix light, and warm golden light was shining from the windows of the houses. Inside a small cozy, a little girl named Lily was sitting at her craft table. Lily loved X-Max more than anything. She loved decorating the Christmas tree, making handmade ornaments, and creating little gifts for her family. But this year, Lily wanted to make something special. She looked at the empty wall beside the fireplace and said, "I want to make X-Max decoration with my own hands." She opened her craft box and found a wooden board, some small nails, a hammer, and several colorful strings. Must listen till the end. Then she had an idea. "I'm going to make a Christmas tree with string art." Lily carefully placed the wooden board on her table. First, she imagined the shape of a Christmas tree. She marked a small star at the top and then drew a simple triangle underneath it. Slowly and carefully, she placed tiny nails around the outline of the tree. Tap, tap, tap. The sound of the little hammer filled the room. Lily worked patiently. She didn't hurry because she knew that beautiful things sometimes take time. When all the nails were ready, she picked up a green piece of string. She tied the string to the first nail and began wrapping it around the others. Around and around the nails went the string. Soon a beautiful green Christmas tree began to appear. Lily smiled, but she was not finished. She added red string to make little Christmas ornaments. Then she used golden string to create a shining star at the top. Finally, she added a little brown string at the bottom for the tree trunk. Lily stepped back and looked at her creation. It was simple, but it was beautiful. Just then, her little brother came into the room. Now he said, "Did you make that?" Lily smiled proudly. "Yes, I made it myself." Her brother looked closely at the colorful string. "It looks like a real Christmas tree." Lily laughed. "I think the best part is that we made it with our hands." Her mother walked into the room and saw the decoration. She smiled warmly. "This is wonderful, Lily. Handmade decoration is special because they carry the time, love, and creativity of the person who made them." Lily carefully picked up the string art and placed it on the wall. The golden stars looked beautiful under the warm Christmas light. That evening, the whole family gathered around the fireplace. They drank warm milk and hot chocolate, listened to Christmas music, and admired Lily's little string art tree. Lily realized something important. Xmas was not only about beautiful decoration or experience gifts. It was also about spending time together, creating something with love, and making her happy emotion. The next morning, Lily decided to make another string art decoration. This time, she wanted to make one for her grandmother. She chose her red and white string and created a beautiful Christmas heart. She worked slowly and carefully, thinking about her grandmother in every turn of the string. When the gift was finished, Lily wrapped it in simple paper and added a little handmade card. On Christmas Day, she gave it to her. She gave it to her grandmother. And grandmother opened the package and smiled. Grandmother very happy to see that. "Oh, Lily," she said, "this is beautiful." Lily replied, "I made it especially for you." Her grandmother hugged her and said, "A handmade gift is something I will always treasure." Lily felt so happy, so happy. She understood that creativity doesn't have to be perfect. Sometimes the little things we make with our own hands can become the most meaningful gifts. That night, the family turned off the most lights. Only the Christmas littles and Lily's little string tree remained glowing on the wall. Only the Christmas lights and Lily's little string tree art remained glowing on the wall. The golden star seemed to shine brighter than before. Lily sat quietly and looked at it. She remembered how the empty wooden board had slowly transformed into a beautiful Xmas decoration, and she thought about how every little string had become part of something bigger. Just a little Christmas, one small act of kindness, one handmade gifts, one warm smile, one happy memory. Together they create something beautiful. Lily smile and whisper, "Happy Festival." Outside the snow continued to fall softly. Inside the family stayed together, surrounded by warmth, love, and the gentle glow of Xmas light. And on the wall, the little string art Christmas tree continued to shine like a reminder that the most beautiful things are often made with love, materials, patience, hands, and the loving heart. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. We will definitely try to bring best and beautiful craft for you. So viewers, if you want to watch more designs and more ideas like this, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Our viewers are very special for us. Crafting has many positive benefits. Crafting has many positive benefits. It can help improve creativity, concentration, patience, and fine motor skills. Working with materials such as paper, thread, wood, and beads also gives the mind a chance to slow down and focus on one activity at a time. Crafting can be a relaxing and enjoyable hobby, and completing a handmade project can give a wonderful sense of achievement and confidence. It can also be a